Hi everyone! Hey pet lovers and cat owners! Today with me I have the Purina Tidy Cats Low Dust Clumping Cat Litter, and I actually already opened it, but let's take a look at what it actually looks like. So let me move this box over here so I can show you guys the absolute size of this clumping cat litter bag. So I'm actually going to open it up to show you guys what the clumps actually look like so you can see closer to the camera. But let me tell you guys that this is an amazing product. It is 17 pounds, but it doesn't mean less litter. It just means it's less heavy, which is awesome for our cats here at home. This is the multi-cat litter one, which is incredible because we have 2 cats here at home. So let's cut this open so I can show you guys what it looks like. It is absolutely massive. It's going to last us quite a while. And this is the actual clumping litter right here. It feels so lightweight and it's so nice for our cats because heavy litters just seem to make them very, very uncomfortable, you guys. This is a definite recommend. Whether you have 1, 2, 3, multiple cats, they're going to absolutely adore this. I really like that it's lightweight. It is easy to carry. It comes in the box, which is also a plus for us. And I think it's so easy to store as well. So I definitely recommend this to you guys. This is a 10 out of 10 from us here at home.